Hello everyone, and today I want to bring you a different unboxing, and that is because I have just received my new sprue cutter, and this time I went for a better brand, and that is the Dspiae, however it's pronounced, and I went for the ST-A 3.0, which should be their top of the range when it comes to nippers, because they also have the EN-A. However, this is more recent release, so I thought that I would go for this. Before, I always had cheap ones, the cheap nippers like these over here, so it should be a major upgrade for me going for a better type of tool. Let's open it up. Alright, so we can see some details where it's telling us that it's an ultra-fine single blade nipper for plastic models. Perfect, that's what my hobby builds. Push, and it is quite difficult. Okay, so there it is. And empty, and this is what we should be looking for when I open the box. Right there. Let's go. Neat, very neat box from what I can see. Let's take out the contents. Okay, nothing more to see. Thank you for choosing Dspiae products. Okay, very happy to have purchased. That looks like, I don't know if there's anything else over here. Yes, some leaflet together with more, okay, together with a cloth, maybe to keep it inside, and a small instruction manual which tells us, which is not that small, so instructions about the cut to take care, what you should do and what you shouldn't do. Very nice. Okay, let's place it. Okay, also over there, and this is the cover for the blade for when it is not being used. And right there, very neat, everything marked with the brand and everything. So this is a great protection for when you are not actually using the cutter. Very nice. So now let's go ahead and see the actual tool right here. Once again, very neat packaging, as you can see, and you have the cutter together with, let's call it a screwdriver right here. There it is. Very nice from what I can see. And this screwdriver lets you adjust this screw, looks like a small Allen key right here, and so once you turn it, you start pulling the screw in and out, and that adjusts the stopper of the blade. As you can see, it stops with this screw so that you can adjust that freely. So regarding the way it is advertised, it is being called as a single blade nipper. What is exactly a single blade? It means that one of the sides is the actual blade, while the other side is just a piece of metal where the blade rests. Why is it so? On the cheaper ones, it's not like that. As you can see, the blade is on both sides. Why is it like that? So that it starts cutting. As you can see, this is the blade and this is the stopper, so that it starts cutting from one side. It keeps getting into the sprue all along the way and stops with the metal. That way you will have a full clean cut. On the others, you start cutting, the blades meet in the middle, and you would have that line in the middle. With the single blade, that is avoided, and now we shall also try it out. So let's bring a sprue my spraying sprues. Okay, and now let's test using a normal, cheaper cutter. Let's test the cut, and as we can see, what I have just said, since both of them are blades, we have that line in the middle where the blades have met. Let's test the other cheap cutter also. Right there, same results. As we can see, it's like a triangle, just because it was the blades pull the plastic and then cut just in the middle, so it ends up into a triangle shape. Now let's test out my new Dspiae nippers, and quite a clean cut indeed, no effort at all. And as we can see, it is a fully linear and clean cut without any effort at all. It simply cuts the sprue right away with a full linear cut, as opposite to the others, as we had just seen, which leave you with that rough surface that is completely different to the new nippers. Okay, so that's all from me. I'm looking forward to start using this for my cutting. I can also remove the cheaper ones and conclude this video by putting my new nipper inside the pouch, which they also gave me. Very nice, like that. Clip, and there you go. It is protected. You can hang it or whatever you want, and it will be safe if it falls or anything while not being used. Okay, and also including, if you keep it inside the pocket, you can also put it inside its plastic packing like this, close, and it will be even safer when not being used. I really hope you find this video useful, especially if you were looking at a sprue cutter just like me. There are many alternatives. There are good alternatives like the Tamiya and Mr. I also read many positive reviews about it, so I decided to give it a go, and I really like my choice because it looks fantastic. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you find it helpful, and I will see you in my next video.